Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing 20 CRM versus Salesforce. One is a lightweight open source newcomer and the other is a global CRM giant. Let's start with Salesforce first. So Salesforce, I would say that it is the gold standard. It is packed with modules for sales, marketing, analytics, and support as well. It is powerful but can get expensive and complex. A lot of Reddit users often say that it's great for enterprise but too heavy for small teams. Now for 20 CRM. 20 CRM is a open source, modular, and developer friendly. You can customize workflows and data models however you want without licensing fees. Reddit users love the flexibility but warn it's still early stage with limited integrations and stability. For large established teams needing reliability and deep features, I would definitely say that Salesforce wins. But for startups, for tech-driven teams wanting flexibility and control, I would say that 20 CRM is a smarter, more or most customizable pick. And that's it. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next video.